Hello, my name is Thapelo Morebodi, and I'm going to be singing a song taken from Alexandra Bach called Hallelujah. I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. You don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major leaves. The baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw it bathing on the roof, a beauty and the moonlight overdrew ya. She tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair. From the lips you drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.